Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is second part of Cambridge Primary Checkpoint Mathematics Paper 1 from April 2022. In the first video we have done the questions from I think 1 to 15. The remaining question we will cover up in this video. I hope you guys understood everything. I will request you guys to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. If you like the video, please press the like button. Thank you so much for your cooperation. So let's start. Question 16. A fair-sided dice is rolled once only, right? Use one of the words below to describe the likelihood of each event. We have these events inside here and we have likelihood, certain, likely, even, uneven and impossible, right? So the one thing that you should always remember to underline the keywords so that you don't miss out anything. Like a fair six-sided dice. So we have a six-sided dice, so that means it will have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as outcome. So out of this we are going to answer these questions now. Based upon that, the number 4 is rolled. So number 4 is coming once only. So this is very less, we can say. It's not certain, it's not likely, not even, not impossible. So what is going to be here? Unlikely, right? So we are going to use this word here, unlikely. Right? Now a number less than 20 is rolled. Now you see all these numbers are less than 20, right? So that is sure event, so that means it's certain. So we are going to put certain here, right? An odd number is rolled. Odd numbers, how many of them are odd? 1, 3 and 5. These are odd, so they are 3 out of 6, so that means half of them. So odd number roll it is, and even chance, so we are going to write even here. A multiple of 10 is rolled. Any of the multiple here, multiples of 10 will be 10, 20, 30, so none of them is multiple, so we are going to write down here impossible. Okay, so that's how you will complete this one. So this will give you 2 marks. Now number 17, draw a line to match each number to its value when it is rounded to 1000. So rounded to 1000. So first of all, you need to know the digit of the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, and this is thousands. So thousands place. So we are taking this here, you just put line there, and then we have this number which is 5 and above. If 5 and above, we are going to add 1 here, so rounding up. So this is 200, this will become 216, then 3 zeros. We have it here like this. Then next one, again thousands places here. So this is again 5, which is 5 and above, we add here to 215, then there are 3 zeros, so this one is right here. Now the next one, again ones, tens, 100,000, so this is less than that, less than 5, so we have 216 with the 4 will remain like that, so 216, it is going to be this one here. Now 215, then we have 0 again, this is less than 5, so 21500, 215, so it's going to be this one. Okay, we have a graph here. Here is a graph to show the scores of class 6 in a test. Graph shows scores in a test. We have number of students this side, we have score out of 15, so this is the score, how many marks they score. Write how many students score more than 7. So more than 7, so let's see which one is more than 7. 7 is here, so more than 7 we have this and this, which is here it is 16, and this one here, you go this way, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 11. So the total is 16 plus 11, which is 27. So 27 students scored more than 7. Now Mia says 4 students scored 10 on the test. 4 students scored 10 on the test. So 10, where is 10? 8 to here. So it's there. So explain why this may not be true. So you can see that this is given as a group 8 to 11. So we cannot say exactly from here the number of students who scored 10 on the test, because this is range. Like those who scored 8, they are also here. Those who scored 9, they are in this column. 10 also, 11 also. So there are a range of the number of the scores, right? So this 16 is the total number of students. So we cannot say from here, because we can say all students could have scored, all students could have scored 8 points on a test. This is just an example, right? On the test. So maybe they all got 16, maybe they all got 9, all the 16 they got 9 marks or anything. So this is not, the individual score is not shown here, so we cannot see anything out of this, right? Here is a number fact. 43 times 10 is 430. Olivier uses number fact to work out the answer to 43 times 11. So he wrote 430 plus 43. So this actually is working like this, right? 10 plus 11. So 43 times 10 plus 43 times 1. 43 times 10 is 430 from here, and plus 43, right? So now write down the calculation Olivier could use to find the answer of 43 times 9. So now 43 times 9, so this is actually 10 minus 1, which is 9, right? So now 430 minus 1. So this is going to be 430 minus 43. Here we are adding 43 to get 11, and here we are going to do 43 minus 430 minus 43, right? Now Olivier adds answers to this 43 times 11 to his answer 43 times 9. Draw a ring around the multiplication that will give you the same answer. So you see 43, so this is not possible. So 43 times 11, so how it works? 43 times 11 plus 43 times 9, right? So 43 is here, so 11 plus 9, as we are adding this 11 plus 9, it is 20. So 43 times 20. Alright, now number 20, complete the table. The first one has been done for you, division, mixed number and decimal. So we are just dividing it. 17 by 4, 4 times 4 is 16, so 1 is remainder. So I always told you, like if it is 17 over 4, so 4 remains here in the denominator and remainder goes up here, remainder is 1 and this. So it's going to be 4 1 over 4. And in decimal place we will need to continue. Put a decimal there, drop down 0, 4 times 2 is 8. 2, then you can add one more 0, 4 times 5 it is 20. So 4.25, right? Similarly we can do this one here, 12 divided by 5. 5 times 2 is 10, 2. So this is going to be in denominator will be 5 here, remainder is 2 and 2 here. 5 times 2 10 plus 2 12, right? So now for the decimal you put zeros here. 5 times 4 is 20, so it is 2.4. Number 21, here are some shapes A, B, C, D, E is given here. You have seen these different beautiful shapes here. Write the letter in correct box in the table. 1 has been done for you. Polygon. A is a polygon, right? Not a polygon. Now, first of all, you need to know what is a polygon. A polygon is a closed shape. A polygon is a closed shape of having 3 or more sides, right? So it should be closed. Consists of straight lines. Straight lines, right? So we have straight lines here and they are closed, so it's a polygon. Not a polygon. B is not a polygon because there is a curved shape here. Then C is a polygon because it is a closed shape and we have straight lines here. D is not because it is not closed, it's open from one side. Then E is a star, so but it is closed, having straight lines, so E will go here, right? 2 marks for this one again. Number 22, put these fractions in order starting with the largest. Okay, so for the largest we need to, first of all, you need to make the denominator same. So let's make it, if possible, 1 over 2, 7 over 16, 3 over 4, 5 over 8. This can be made 8. Yeah, it's 16. So we can make 16 to all of them. 8 times 2 16, 4 times 4 is 16, 2 times 8 is 16. Remember to do whatever you do in the denominator, it should go in the numerator also. So this one is now 8 over 16 and this is 7 over 16 as it is. This is 12 over 16, this is 10 over 16. So which one is largest here? That have the smallest numerator. 8, 7, 12, 10. The smallest is 7. So this is going to be the smallest one here. 7 over 16. And the largest after this, sorry, I started from wrong side. So the greatest one is here, is this one, 12 over 16. So that means 3 over 4. After 12 we have, after that is 10. 10 over 16, that is 5 over 8. We are done with this. Then 7 over 16 here is 8 over 16. Sorry, 1 over 2. Remember to write down them in their original numbers. Number 23. Draw the reflection of the shape in the mirror line. So we are going to, this is the mirror line, we are going to reflect this. So I'm going to tell you very simple way to do that. So this can be done very easily by using tracing paper. So here is a tracing paper. So I'm going to draw first the mirror line here. So this is the mirror line and then we are going to trace this one, right? Now you just need to fold this paper from the mirror line where you have drawn on your tracing paper. You see, you are going to fold from this line here. So when you fold it, it is coming like this, right? So then you flip it to the other here. You see, so this is your shape after reflection. You see, it's easy. So you can just press these ones here. So I got this point, then I have this one here, like this. Please use ruler. So this is the shape after reflection. So you can easily use your tracing paper. You see, that is so easy to draw the reflection, right? Now number 24, here is a table with 4 statements about odd and even numbers. Complete the table to show if the statement is true or false. The first one has been done for you. So we see here odd plus odd is odd, which is true. Let's say example is 3, 3, 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9, which is true, right? Even times odd. So let's say 2 is even times odd is 1 is equal to 2, which is even. So that means this is true. You can take any number, right? Even 2 plus odd, let's say 1 and 1 is odd. 2, 3 is 4, which is an even number. So that means this is a false statement. Odd times odd. Let's say 3 times 3. It is 9, which is odd. So that is true. Odd times odd. Let's say 3 times 3 times 1. This is also odd. 3 times 3, 9 times 1, which is even, which is not even. 3 times 3, 9. It's odd. So this is also false. So in these kind of questions, always try to get some numbers which are even and odd. Then you do the calculation. Take small numbers so that your calculation is not going so big. Number 25. Rachel wants to convert 5/8 into decimal. Complete her calculation. Here is the calculation. 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is going to be 48, right? 48. Here it will be 4. So, yeah, 5. Yeah, so 8 times 6 is 48. We have already written. 10 times minus 2 is 10 minus 8 is 2. So then drop down 2. Then 8 times 2 is 16 minus 40 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. So this is your calculation that you can do over here. Now complete the number sentence. 45 times 18. You see both the calculations are equal. So what I can do here, there is no need to do actual calculations here. So you see 45 times this 18 can be written as 2 times 9, right? 2 times 9 is 18. So now if I combine these two, 45 times 2 is 90 times 9. So we will have 9 here. I'm repeating. We just splitted this 18 into two parts, factorization. 2 times 9, that is 18. So 45 times 2 is 90, because we need 90 in the answer. So 90 times 9 will give you the same answer, right? Now number 27, bit tricky. Here is a part of train's timetable. 6 trains travel from Newcastle to London. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 trains. Some of these trains take less than 3 hours to travel from Newcastle to London. Write down the letter of these trains. Less than 3 hours. Less than 3 hours. So first of all we need to look here. So 10:35, after 10:35 is 11:35, 12:35 and 1:35. So that means 13:35. So what if this is more than that, right? So A cannot be the answer. So this is not. So 10:59, 11:59, 12:59 and 13:59. So this is less than that. So B can be the answer. Now 11:30, 12:30 is 1 hour. 12:30 1 hour. 1:30 and 2:30. So this is more than that. 2:30. So C is not in the option. 12:25. 12:25 to 12:25 to 13:25, 14:25, 15:25. But this is 15:44. So this is more than that. Now 12:57, 13:57, 14:57, 15:57, but this is 15:51. So this is the one. 13:30, 14:30, 15:30, 16:30. So this is more than that. So we are left with only 2 letters here, which is B and E, right? Now calculate the number of minutes taken by train D to travel from Newcastle to this. So here 12:25 to 15:44. So I can just take 12:25 to 13:25, 1 hour. 14:25 is 2 hours. Then up to 15, we can split it, right? then 15, 44. So 20 is, so 25 to here 60. So 60 minus 25. 5 minus 2, 35 here, 35 minutes, and this one is 44 minutes. So how many minutes do we have here? 5 plus 4, 9, 3, 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 4 is 7, 79 minutes. But we have here 2 hours, right? 2 hours are equals to 160 minutes, 120 minutes. So total time is 120 minutes plus 79 here, the main number of minutes. So 199 minutes. Okay. Number 28, here are 3 examples of calculation strategy. Put tick if the strategy is correct. Put cross if the strategy is not correct. 13.4 minus 6.8. So this is correct, but when you add this, you see this is 6.8, but this will be 7.02 because we have to add this because they both are negative. So this is not correct. So 3.9, 12.4 plus 3.9, 4 minus 0.1 is 3.9. So this is correct. So 9.9, 13.1, sorry, 2 is there, minus 9.9. So this is minus 9.9. Negative 10 plus 0.1 is negative 9.9. So this is also correct, right? Now, number 29. This is the last question of this paper. Yes, this is the last one. So I hope you guys are getting everything. If there is anything, let me know in the comment section, and please give some appreciation by sharing it with your friend and subscribe to my channel. If there is any other paper you want me to do, I can do that for you. Write in the comment section. So here is the 29th question. Pair A spins 3 spinners and add the results. So here are the spinners and he is adding spinner 1, 2 and 3. List the different ways of pair A can make it 20. So we are looking for the option that is making 20. This is bit tricky, but only 1 mark, right? So we can choose, let's say I'm choosing number from here. Let's say there may be different answers, right? So if I take 8 from here, then let's say I'm taking 11 from here. 8 plus 11 is 19. We want to make it 20. So we don't have 20 here. So first of all, actually, we have 3 options here. So we can take first one from here. So to make it 20, we need to have 1 here, but we don't have 1 there. So that means maybe we can choose 2 from here. If I choose 2 from here, then let's say 10 I'm choosing from here, 12. Then I can take 8 from here. So 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, right? Again, the next one can be, because we are not given that we can repeat the number, right? So it's not written anywhere. So list 3 different ways. So we can just repeat again anything. 11 plus 11, it will become more. 11 plus 9. Yeah, so 11 is not working. So 9. Let's say we are taking 9 from here. And if I take 11 from here, it will become 20. So let's take 9 again from here. 9 plus 18, then 2 will come from here. Okay. So now again, if I take 10 from here, so we need 2 numbers that make 10 from here, right? So which is not possible. So again, I have to take 9 from here, and then if I take 8, 9 and 2, so let's take 8 again here. We can have 8. Then plus, let's say 9 plus 8, 17 plus 3. Yeah, done. So that's it. So you may have different answers. So you just look for the numbers that add up to 20, but you should have at least 1 number from every section. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys understood everything. Thank you so much for your support. Please press the like button and share it with your friends. God bless you guys and all the best for your coming exams. See you in the next video. Bye bye.